Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arhad Ahmed, student of Russia University, Department of Banking and Insurance. In this video, I will show you that how we can compute the present value. Present value means the discounting value of the future amount. So let's start. Let's assume this is an example of the present value. Mr. Avir want to buy a car by $2 lakh after 5 years later. What amount he should deposit in the bank at 8% interest rate. So if we summarize this question in an Excel sheet, then we will find such type of data. So after summarizing the question, we find we get three information, that is future value is 2 lakh and number of years, that is 5 years, and the rate of interest is 8%. From this information, we have to calculate what will be the present value. So let's start to compute. Since the problem of finding the present value, we have to use a formula of present value. So first of all, I should put the equal sign. Then I have to add the formula of present value, that means PV, and double click on PV, and I have to maintain this series. That means first of all, I have to put the rate of interest, then number of period, and then the payment, and then future value, and the last one is type. So according to the question and the value, first of all, I have to add the rate of interest. We can see that there is rate of interest is 8%. So first of all, I have to click on 8%. Okay, then comma. Okay, then number of period, we can see that the number of period is 5 years. So click on 5 years. Okay, then payment, we can see that there is no any payment. That means there is a missing of annuity. So I have to pay, I have to add the zero for zero payment. Then I have to put the comma. Since future value is under the third bracket, sorry, second, yes, third bracket. So I have to add a minus figure and the future value 2 lakh, and then the type is 0. So now I have to close the equation, and now if I enter, if I click on enter, then I will get the present value. From this solution, we can say that when Mr. Abir will able to buy the car in future, that means 5 years later, in 2 lakhs, if he deposit 1,36,116 taka or dollar uh, at 8% interest rate in bank. So that's all from me. Thank you.